So now we are going to fold our card. So the very first step is we're going to fold it in half, and that's going to be along that 5-inch score line that goes all the way through your card. There we go. Next part, I'm going to score at that 2.5-inch line, and that's going to take this 5-inch one and make it fold the other way. So the main thing to not do when you're folding this card is try not to bend this too much. So be a little bit gentle with it. So I've got that one done here. And then from there, these inside pieces, they accordion fold. So they're gonna go one way and then the opposite way. So in the end, you're going to have a card base like this here. So because that paper just got folded and isn't used to being folded, you're going to want to make sure that you take your bone folder and give those creases a really nice press so that it does fold somewhat flat. It will never fold completely flat, and you don't necessarily want it to. You want it to be able to stand nicely, so you want it to be able to fold somewhat flat and just have some really nice crease lines in there. So there we go. We have our card base made. We'll see you in the next video where we're going to start to work on our winter scene. So the very first part of this winter scene, we're going to do our mountains first. We're working from the back forward.